This project started a couple years ago when some of my business partners and I were looking for a building to invest in. So we originally looked at the building next door and we settled on this one, and then it grew into and evolved into not just an investment but for a commercial building for us to move into. I had a lot of fears because I had never done this before, not to this extent. It was a $4 million project and 100-year-old building, and it had been vacant for a decade, and so I needed a lot of expertise, a lot of which Prey Construction helped us with because they're in that business and very good at it.
From pre-construction, we went through several feasibility studies and quite a bit of the pro forma data to make the finances work for the building.
I would say Prey's attention to customer needs was excellent. Communication was good, and they were very responsive. I think the quality of the construction was also excellent. It fulfilled and met all of my expectations. We made some decisions along the way where we couldn't afford higher end materials in some cases or build out, but we knew that going in. I think that's true in every project, but with the decisions we've made, we're very pleased with the quality of construction. I would recommend Prey. I've used them twice on projects for my business, and a project this size, $4 million project, and not to have a major catastrophe somewhere along the way is pretty amazing. The Prey team and having Dave on hand allowed us to overcome those small problems, and we didn't have any big problems, so that was great. This project has been very successful, dealing with and working with Prey Construction. Like I said, it's a $4 million project. It was 2 years project, and for the most part, it met or exceeded my expectations. Prey came in on budget, and they came in on time, and I don't think you can ask anything else, so very pleased with it.
With this project, when Prey came in, it was at a critical time. We were able to achieve our expectations that we set out and all the goals that the owner had set up before me, and we feel like they did a great job with quality, budget, and value.
If I have another construction project that I'm involved with, Prey Construction is somebody I'm going to call for sure.